In this video, I will show you how to add user in BigCommerce. Start by going to your BigCommerce dashboard. In the search bar, type Users, or you can navigate through Account Settings and select Users. This will open your user's dashboard. At the top, click Create User Account. A form will appear where you'll enter the new user's email address and set their status and preferred language. Next, choose a role for the user, like Store Admin, Sales Staff, or Custom Role, depending on what you want them to access. Below that, you'll see detailed permission sections such as Sales Staff Permissions, Sales Manager Permissions, System Admin Permissions, and High Risk Permissions. Carefully toggle the access you want them to have. A good rule is to assign only the permissions they truly need. Once everything is set, click Save. You'll be taken back to the user's dashboard, where you'll now see the newly added user's email listed. An invite will be sent to them so they can log in using the permissions you assigned. And that's how to add user in BigCommerce.